Before going to start rational numbers, we have to discuss what are the positive fraction numbers and what are negative fraction numbers. Okay, children, we already know what are integers. What integers means? Integers means the numbers which are from minus infinity to infinity. The numbers which are from minus infinity to infinite means it contains negative numbers and positive numbers also. It has both negative numbers and positive numbers. So the middle number is 0. Like that we have fractions. Here the numbers which are from the fractions which are on the right side of the 0 are called positive fraction numbers, and the numbers which are on the left side of the 0 are called negative fraction numbers. Let's see. This is a number line. We know that what is number line. Number line means numbers on the line. Means it contains only numbers. The central number is 0 and the numbers on the right side of the 0 are called positive numbers. And the numbers on the left side of the 0 are called negative numbers. Okay, children, see here in between 0 and 1 we have some numbers. So I am writing fraction numbers in between 0 and 1. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5, which is less than 1 and greater than 0. It is in between 0 and 1. Okay. Like that, there are so many numbers in between 0 and 1, so many fractions. So the fractions which are on the right side of the 0 are called positive fractions, and the fractions which are on the left side of the 0 are called negative fractions, means minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2, like that. Okay, children? And the thing is rational numbers. What is rational numbers? The numbers which are in the form of p by q. The numbers which are in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. The numbers which are in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. Means the rational numbers includes rational numbers. Rational numbers includes, and it is denoted by the letter q. Rational numbers denoted by the letter q. It is denoted by letter q, and it includes both integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, okay, children. It includes integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and also the numbers which are in the form of p by q. Why integers? See here, 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 can be written as 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. That's why 2 can also be written as 2 by 1. It is in the form of p by q. See here, minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. It is in the form of p by q. Minus 2 by 1 means minus 2 only. Okay, it is in the form of p by q. So, all the integers we have are called rational numbers, and all the whole numbers we have are called rational numbers, and all the natural numbers we have are called rational numbers, and the numbers which are in the p by q are called rational numbers. So any number we can call it as rational number. The number must be an integer or whole number or natural number. See here. Okay, children, we know what is rational numbers. So rational numbers means the numbers which are in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. So next one is comparing of rational numbers. How to compare two rational numbers? How to compare two rational numbers? We know how to compare two whole numbers. Two numbers. We have 2 and 3. We know which one is greater than. By seeing we can tell which number is greater than. Simply 2 greater than 3 we say. But by seeing rational numbers we can't determine which number is greater, which number is smaller. see here 1 by 2 and 5 by 6 we have. Which number is greater? They are asking which number is greater. We can't tell simply by seeing these numbers. So how can we tell which number is greater? Means we have to make denominator as same. We have to make denominator as same for both the numbers. See here 2 and 6 here. So first of all what we have to do is take these two denominators 2 and 6 and do LCM here. In 2 table 1 time it is 3 times. So 2 into 1 into 3 is equal to 6 is the LCM. So we have to make LCM as 2 in both the denominators. So here 1 by 2, how? Simply multiply with 3 by 3. It is 1 by 1. So if you multiply with 3 by 3, it becomes 3 by 6. And if you multiply with 1 by 1, it becomes 5 by 6. So here 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. Denominator is same. If the denominator is same, we have to compare. We have to solve which numbers in the denominator. We have to compare the numerators only. If the denominators are same, here 6, here 6, so denominators are equal. Then we have to compare the numerators only. These numbers are called like numbers. Like numbers means which have denominators same. So we have 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. 5 is greater than 3. So 3 by 6 is less than 5 by 6. Okay children, like that we have to solve, we have to compare the two rational numbers. See, another one, minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 6. Here negative numbers are given. How to compare? Same. Make denominators as same. So minus 1 by 2 multiplying with 3 by 3, it becomes minus 3 by 6. And it is minus 5 by 6. Minus 3 by 6 and minus 5 by 6. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Minus 3 by 6 is greater. Because it has negative sign. It has negative sign, it comes first than this one. So minus 3 by 6 is greater than minus 5 by 6. Like that we have to compare the rational numbers by making denominators same. Means like the fractions. It means like the fractions. Like the fractions means the denominator is same. Okay children? See here children, compare 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. Here two rational numbers are given and he is asking for compare. So we have to tell which number is greater and which number is smaller number. So see here, the numbers are 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. First of all, multiply 3 by 4 with 1 by 1. 3 by 4 into 1 by 1. We get 3 by 4, same. Now multiply 3 by 4 with 2 by 2. We get 3 2 is 6 and 4 2 is 8. These are the multiples of 3 by 4, 6 by 8 and 3 by 4 into 3 by 3 means 9 by 12. These are the multiples of 3 by 4. These are the multiples of 3 by 4. We are multiplying 3 by 4 with 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 and so on. So like that we multiply 3 by 4 with numbers. 3 by 4 into 2 by 2 we get 6 by 8, 9 by 12 and 3 by 4 into 4 by 4. 3 by 4 into 4 by 4. We get 12 by 16. 12 by 16. 12 by 16 and after that 3 by 4 into 5 by 5. 15 by 20 and 3 by 4 into 6 by 6. 18 by 24. Next one 21 by 27. 21 by 28 and 3 by 4 into 8 by 8. 24 by 4 8s are 32 and 3 by 4 into 9 by 9. 9 3s are 27 by 9 4s are 36 and so on. Like that so on. These are the multiples of 3 by 4. We are multiplying 3 by 4 with the 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 like that. Like that we have to multiply 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 into 2 by 2. 10 by 14 15 by 21, 20 by 28, 25 by 35, 30 by 42, 35 by 49, and so on. If you multiply 5 by 7 with 2 by 2, you get 10 by 14. 5 by 7 with 3 by 3, 15 by 21. 5 by 7 with 4 by 4, 20 by 28, like that. See here, compare these compare these factors and compare these multiples and compare these multiples. If you see here, this number and this number have same denominator. So same denominator means 21 by 28 and 20 by 28. These two numbers are same denominators means these are like fractions. So compare now. So exclude denominators and compare numerators. 21 and 20. Which one is greater? 21 is greater. So 21 by 28 is greater than 20 by 28. 21 by 28 means what? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 7. Okay, children, like that we have to compare two rational numbers. Okay, I will give some homework problems now. Okay, children, do these two problems as homework. Compare 9 by 10 and 7 by 30. And second question is compare -1 by 12 and -2 by 30. Okay, children, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.